Dataset A consists of 10 positive integers less than 60. The list shown gives 9 of the integers from dataset A. And then the mean of these 9 integers is 42. If the mean of the dataset A is an integer that is greater than 42, what is the value of the largest integer from dataset A? Okay, so we're given 9 integers. We still have one missing. We make it to be x. Okay. Then we know this is also an integer that is less than 60. The first condition we're given. Okay. Then we also know that the mean of the 9 integers is 42. So let's try to find the sum of the 9 integers. That is 42 times 9. That is 378. And this condition is about the mean of the entire dataset A. So let's try to find the formula for that. We have the sum of the 9 integers. We have one last number, which is x. We do divide it by 10, okay? Then we know this is the formula for the mean of the dataset A, okay? This is also an integer that is greater than 42. Okay, we have this inequality, so let's solve for x. 378 plus x is greater than 420. So x is greater than 420 minus 378. So we know that x should be greater than 42. Okay, so combining these two conditions, we know that x is an integer that is between 42 to 60. Okay, x is also an integer, so which means x could be maybe 43, 44, 45, blah 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 blah. Okay, so what else can we do about here to find the unique solution for x? Okay, actually we should now go actually revisit this formula here. We know that the mean of this, which means this formula here, is also an integer, okay? So if that's the case, we know that this is a number divided by 10. It has to be an integer, which means the top of it should be a multiple of 10, okay? So it has to be a number, maybe it's like 380, 390, 400, blah, 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 okay? If that's the case, we know that x has to have a ones digit of 2, right? Yes. Only in that case, then the sum of them 2 divided by 10, can we get an integer, right? If that's the case, let's use this interval here. So that is a number greater than 42. So the next number is 52, okay? 52. Okay, if we keep adding 10 to that, we know the next integer is 62. But 62 is already above this 60 here. Perfect. So we're only left with this number here, which is 42. So 42 is the value of x. This is a unique solution for x. And let's check. So we want to find the value of the largest integer, and yes, 52 is actually greater than all the 9 integers here. So our answer is 52.